I'm working on this dungeon tile set for a friend, and I just thought I'd show you a couple of tricks that I use. So first of all, sometimes you have foam and you just don't have any good straight edges anywhere to start with. So I'll just take my straight edge, and I can pretty much drop a straight line anywhere I want. Make sure your knife has a fresh, sharp blade. I don't want to waste a lot of the foam, so I'll get close to an edge. I'm using my metal carpenter square for a straight edge. And there, now I have one nice edge. Well, this is a square, so I can take an edge of that carpenter square, lay it flush against that nice edge that I just made. And now I've made a very nice 90-degree angle. Carpenter square fits flush on there. This is a 5 by 5 inch dungeon tile, and I can make my square. I'll set the 5-inch mark on that first edge that I made. Keep it flush, and the outside of this edge then is 5 inches over. Now I have 3 good edges. This is 5 inches wide now. I will do the same thing. I'll set this 5 inches here. Make sure it's flush against the other edge there. And now I have a perfect 5-inch square. No gaps. No gaps. Perfect 5-inch by 5-inch square. That'll be a 5-inch by 5-inch dungeon tile. It'll be one of these. You see how it sits all flush, nice and neat with that one.